Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna recreate my wedding look. I got married this February 16. 16, right? It was not like typical Indian wedding. We just did court marriage. We decided that we're gonna get married when? 20 days before we got married. I didn't have any makeup artist. Everything was so last moment. My husband and my father, they both wore slippers in our wedding. So yeah, I remember I got up late, so I only had 30 minutes to get ready. It was a chaos. I mean, a beautiful chaos. I don't use much makeup. I got few products from online just before my marriage. Even I got my clothes and everything online. I'm gonna share the crazy stories while doing the makeup. This is a Benefit primer. This is heavily silicone based primer. And it has fragrance, not good for sensitive skin at all. But as I told you, I don't wear makeup every day. Very rare, like once in a month, not even that. I wear lipsticks and mascara. So, not this primer, foundation. Listen, I'm not going to apply on my neck because it is like 4 in the morning and I don't want to wash my neck after this video because I feel cold. But I promise you, on my marriage day I applied it on my neck, so don't worry. It's cold, it's raining here. I got up early. I thought of doing this shoot. And if you ask me if I'm gonna buy this primer again, no, I'm not gonna buy it because fragrance, what it does, it breaks me out sometimes. My skin was pretty good on that day. I didn't have much issues to work with, like acne or dark spots. It was pretty good. Okay, after that I used this foundation from Benefit. This small foundation, you can see, because I just got it for the day because I don't wear foundation. So I got this foundation again online. I didn't taste the shade in the real, so it was like a chance I took, but it really suited my skin tone. But unfortunately, I'm done with this foundation. You can see no more product left. So I'm gonna use the other foundation that I have, which is Bobbi Brown. Basically, I don't like using foundation because it gives this cakey look. I know there are many people who can do it flawless, not me. It looks cakey on me. On camera, it looks okay, but real, it doesn't look okay. It looks like that, I've owned something very heavy on my face. I don't use any brush for applying foundation. My fingers are just fine. Can you see the peeling effect? I have noticed with this Benefit primer, I don't know why, it just peels off if I apply any foundation or anything after that, which is not a good look. And I got freaked out because it was my wedding and I was applying my makeup. It was coming off. I was like, okay, what am I gonna do now? It took me a lot to blend. It gave me anxiety because it was not blending for this primer. And see my nose. And yeah, I remember it happened on the day and I was like, nightmare. It's very strange, right? Because primer is supposed to work with foundation. You shouldn't give this peeling effect. So I never tried on this primer before my wedding day, which was a big mistake. Okay, I have to use a brush now to fix it because it got out of the hand. Even today is happening even more. On that day it was manageable. Not this much, but today it's like just spilling. My goal was to have natural look because the event was taking place during the day. So I opted for a natural, like, very glowing makeup. And I know there are many people who want to like heavy, what do you call it, eyeshadow. But I didn't do any of it because personally I don't like it. I mean, it's your wedding day, you can do whatever you want to do, right? You don't have to follow certain rules. Okay, you need to look in that way. It is about what makes you confident, it is about what makes you beautiful. And yeah, I felt beautiful that day. Now I'm using a compact from Estee Lauder. Thank God on my wedding day the foundation didn't peel off this much, and the compact really gives a glowing and fresh look. Okay, next thing I did, I used this eyebrow pencil and I got this from Benefit. This is from Benefit and I never used this product before, but I heard it was very good. So I took many chances, I didn't want any heavy, this made up eyebrow look. I wanted to keep it again very natural. Many brides, they want this, Instagram brows. They look beautiful. Every bride, they have their own beauty. But on me, I'm not comfortable with those perfectly arranged brows. It doesn't look human to me. It's too perfect. So I like, to have these imperfections because it gives this dimension to my face. Makes my face interesting, I think. And I use this for my eyes as well. It works just fine, trust me. I wanted to try contact lenses on my wedding days and I tried. It made my eyes burn, so I couldn't use it. So I couldn't do heavy makeup on my eyes because my eyes were already irritated. So I just used this. Listen, I don't know how to do eyeshadow and I personally don't like it, so I skipped the eyeshadow part. Many people might find this look not to be bridal enough, but personally I loved it and I wanted to look like this. I'm done with my eyes and I'm gonna use a mascara. This is Benefit mascara again. When it comes to the wedding makeup, I feel it is most important to know what makes you comfortable, what makes you feel beautiful. And plus I didn't have time to do like much because I just had 30 minutes. The next thing I've used is this blush. Again, this was by Benefit. I never used them before. I just took a chance. So this blush, it has a little shimmer, so I didn't use any highlighter with this. This is one thing that I regret. I should have used highlighter. I don't know if the light is too bright, the camera is not catching the pigment, but it is pigmented. And what else I did? I was running out of time, so I was like fast. Yeah, that's it. I used this lip liner. So for this day, I picked one pretty pink lipstick which really complemented the color of my lehenga. And this lipstick is from Sugar Cosmetics. The shade name is Ambrosia. My favorite part was to wear the jewels.
सारी सारी रातें जगना अभिनय आना सजना अभिनय